Imagine making $500 or more per day, without a degree, without coding skills, and without spending hours working. Sounds impossible? Think again. AI is changing everything, and today, I'll show you 5 proven ways to make money with AI, starting today. The best part? You don't need any prior experience. The first method is AI-powered freelancing. Thousands of people are using AI tools to complete tasks in minutes and get paid for it. Here's how you can do it. Go to Fiverr or Upwork and search for services like AI-generated content or AI voiceovers. Use ChatGPT to write blog posts, emails, and add copy. Use Canva's AI tools to create designs, logos, and social media content. Charge $50 to $200 per project while AI does most of the work. The best part? You don't need any prior experience. AI can now automate YouTube channels, and people are making thousands of dollars monthly. Here's how. Use ChatGPT to generate video scripts. Use Pictory or Synthesia to turn text into AI-generated videos. Add AI voiceovers with Murf.ai or ElevenLabs. Upload the videos to YouTube and monetize them with ads. Some faceless YouTube channels are making $10,000 plus per month just by using AI. And the best part? No filming, no editing, just automation. The third method is selling AI-generated ebooks and courses. People are using AI to create books in hours, selling them, and earning passive income. Here's how. Use ChatGPT to write a book on a trending topic. Use Canva or Midjourney to design a stunning cover. Publish it on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, or Gumroad. With just one AI-generated book, you could make $500 plus per month in passive income. AI is revolutionizing stock trading, and people are making thousands of dollars on autopilot using AI-powered trading bots. Here's how. Use AI tools like Ideas Tickeron or ChatGPT for stock predictions. Automate your trades using MQL5 or Pionex trading bots. Set risk management rules to minimize losses and maximize profits. Some traders are making hundreds per day, all thanks to AI-driven insights. Affiliate marketing with AI is a game changer. Instead of spending hours writing content, AI does it for you. Here's how you can make money. Use ChatGPT or write Sonic to generate SEO-optimized blog posts. Start a website with WordPress and publish AI-generated content. Promote high-ticket affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or AI software tools. Some websites earn $10,000 plus per month just from AI-powered content. So, which AI money-making method are you going to try first? Comment below. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI automation secrets. See you in the next video.